Hey, friend, we got a makeup transformation. Okay, I saw the Scarecrow turning myself into the Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz. Oh, she doing a good job. Oh, that's Dorothy. Okay, what else we got? Oh, contacts. Okay. All the shaded. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of all her looks. Oh, the Wicked Witch. She must have did all of the characters. Oh, look at the tip of her nose. Look at the details. Oh, the shiny silver. She is doing a great job. Ooh, focus in on the tip of that nose. Oh, the lion. Oh, look at that. Okay. We're really working on the Tin Man. Look at that. The special effect. This is special effects makeup. Oh, the hat. Oh my gosh. She's a great Tin Man. Leave a comment, besties. Let me know what you think of this Tin Man look and all the rest of the characters of The Wizard of Oz.